This is my cat's existing litter box. It's from Mikasa. It's been working pretty well. The only problem is you can see there how it just gets super dirty because of course it's gray, and then the litter, you can see the stains of the litter on it. So not the best looking. It is pretty easy to operate. But again, I know there's something better out there, and I was actually sent another litter box to review. So really excited to take a look at that one. So I did just show you the litter box that my cat Rosie is currently using. I was actually sent another one for review. So really excited to get out of the box. I think it's the biggest litter box I've ever seen. So if you have multiple cats, this is something that's going to work really, really well for you. So excited to show you the box. Let's get unboxing. Here is the box, and it is a pretty large litter box. I do like that it gives you this unboxing guide at the top so you can simply walk through it and make sure that you're doing the steps in sequence. But look at how amazing that looks. And this is the Homerunpet Smart Cat Litter Box. Again, it's probably one of the biggest ones on the market, just because I don't think I've ever seen anything this big, but I'm excited to get out of the box. Let's see what's inside. I opened the box because I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like on the top, but you can see just the thick layer of styrofoam all the way around, just to make sure that it's not going to get damaged during transit. It's not going to get scratched or chipped or anything like that. It also includes a quick start guide, which I appreciated because there is app integration, so you want to know exactly how you set it up. But so far so good. It looks great. Let's get it out of the box. Here it is out of the box in all its glory. And again, the unboxing was very easy. Just follow the instructions that are on the box. But this looks amazing. I've never had anything like this that has this like separate area, and I feel like this is going to keep it a lot more just sanitary. It's not going to smell as bad in my opinion, because I feel like this is kind of going to be a little bit odor blocking technology, which is going to be awesome. But wow, I am impressed. It looks like a little spaceship. So I'm going to get this configured and set up, and I will check back in. They also included this unboxing tutorial, which I appreciate. It has a QR code here that you can scan. So really, really simple. Again, it gives you step-by-step instructions with images, which I like. I'm a visual learner, so this makes it really easy. So I'm going to follow these, and then I will come back in and we'll get it set up. They do also include this accessory box, which I really like. I like that you have different bag options. You have the power adapter and deodorizing gel as well. I think that's a really great touch, making sure that you have everything you need to use this as soon as you get it. So right off the bat, one of the biggest differences I noticed with the two litter boxes is look at how small the collection area is for this litter box. It is tiny. It is really not deep. So everything just kind of sits there at the top. That's just definitely one thing that I don't love about this litter box. The difference of the last litter box that I just showed you is the collection bins are just so much better. So this is going to be the one that's going to collect the litter, and you can see that it actually is nice and deep. So this is where the used litter will go, right here in this receptacle. And then as far as the waste itself, that's in this big one, which again, I love that it's so large because look at how deep that is. So this is going to be where the actual waste goes in, but you have so much room. So again, it's not going to be bunching on top of each other. You have a lot of room for that collection. Another really great detail with this litter box is they include this fresh gel deodorizer. So this is just something that you're going to pop in right here. And what that's going to do is just help it stay fresh, right? This is where the waste is going. So you want to make sure that you have good smells coming in at all times. So I thought this is a really nice touch and appreciate that that was included. And here it is installed, super easy. You just have to pop it on there and just make sure it snaps in place nicely, and it smells great. Super easy to turn on, so you just want to plug in the AC adapter that is included here in the back, and then you have this on switch, and you'll notice that your LED panel illuminates. And another comparison with the other litter box, look at how huge this area is for the cat to use. Again, if you have multiple cats, this is going to be perfect because the one that I have, I feel like it's really only designed for one cat. So this makes it easier if you have multiple for sure, just due to the size. One of my favorite features on this litter box is definitely the safety features. So important, especially if you're going to have multiple cats in here, but you want to make sure if it's auto cleaning or doing that the cat's not going to get stuck in the box. So this has these bumpers here, as you can see. So when it's cleaning, it's automatically going to hit the bottom here. So there's always going to be a spot so that the cat can still jump out if they absolutely have to. But there are automatic sensors in the whole box, again, just to make sure that it's functioning appropriately and safe for your cats. So when you're ready to fill, very easy, there's this entry up button. So you just simply tap on that. And then what it's going to do is it's going to flip it upright so that you can pour the litter inside from the top. Okay, so as you can see, I do have the litter in there, so I'm gonna get Rosie down here and we'll introduce her to the new litter box. I went ahead and downloaded the app and I wanna show you how easy it is to use. So you can see here that it allows you to create and kind of name your litter box, which I thought was really cool. So you can see here that you have lots of options. You have child lock, you have night mode in here, but you can actually see how often they've gone to the bathroom. So the bathroom trips, average duration. I can see here, and again, I haven't put the litter in, so you can see that it is telling me right off the bat, hey, you're insufficient, we need more litter. My waste bin is obviously not full since she hasn't used it, but you can see tracking and trending, which would be really useful just to see, you know, if your cat's having any issues. Maybe they are going to the bathroom more frequently, so that could indicate that there's something going on. So you have a lot of good information in here. In regards to this app compared to the other litter box, it's actually very similar. So I would say this one and the other litter box are similar in terms of the app, but this is awesome. I really like it. Here is Rosie, and to be honest, she was a little bit more intimidated with this one than she was with the other one that we have. So I would just say be patient with your cat, get them used to it. Maybe you can put some of their previous litter and waste in the new one and just kind of get them used to going into that one. But she was able to use it. It just took her a little while to get comfortable to go in there initially. So here's some footage that I have of Rosie initially checking out the litter box. So you can see that she, you know, takes some steps up towards it, puts her head in there, kind of looks around a little bit, and then eventually she does just jump on in. And I was surprised that she actually used the box. Usually what she'll do is jump in, check it out, and jump out, but she actually used the restroom in the box. So I thought that was a really good sign. She feels comfortable enough to use it. She is officially in and doing her business. Good girl, Rosie. Final thoughts on this litter box. I am so impressed. This might be the coolest one I've ever seen, and we're so happy to have it. But you saw Rosie get in there. Again, it took her a little while to get used to it, but she jumped right in, started using it. So this would be perfect, again, if you have more than one cat. It has app integration, so you have that functionality. It was just very smartly designed, and I honestly think the name is perfect because this litter box is definitely a home run.